a millionaire. 10,000.
Nice.
Guys, look at that. It's very modern with the metal doors, which is like kind of different from the exterior.
N1 metal box.
Yeah, the oldest metro line. Look at that. Wow. Look at this. Yeah. Wow. And we're right in front is the Hero Square. Look at that.
Wie groß sober gell?
Flag, what flag is that?
Wie groß sober gell?
Guys, that's actually, fun fact, that's actually the building that they filmed Moonlight in instead of the British National Museum. So it's very exciting to see that in real life. So yeah, we're going to go there. Wow, look at that. Guys, look at how big it is. Whoa, that is insane. We're going to the National Museum. Look at that. Oh wait. Wow, look at the flowers there. Look at that. Wow. That's so cool. Wow. Whoa, look at that. So the tickets aren't free, but I'll just stay here and see because that is look at that. That's crazy. Guys, can't believe it. I look so bad. I don't even know how I'm gonna continue talking while looking at my face. It looks so bad. You know, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so we are planning to go to no. Okay, we are heading off. We probably would be going to maybe the zoo cafe today. Press it. Can you press? Oh, only there. Guys, look at this. Wow. There's like a long line, but I'm not sure what that is. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's the line for the I forgot what's that called. The thing. We decided not to queue for the Traveloka and we are taking the stairs all the way up. It's so cool. Look at that. Yeah. Let's see what is at the top. Oh wow.
Oh wow, yeah.
Wow. Found wild blueberries. Okay, would you like to demonstrate? What the hell? Oh, we made it. Guys, I love it how I kept my bucket hat in the luggage because I thought I wouldn't be needing it. But as you can see, I may have a burned forehead by the end of the day. We don't know. You see how beautiful this place is? Wow. Don't even. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. And now we are finding a toilet because I really need to use it. Look at that! It's so cute! It's like an alleyway. Wow, yeah. And then right here is a beer garden. Look at this. What's that? Wow, that's nice. Look at that. Also look at the building in front. Wow. That. Oh yeah, by the way, there's like tuk-tuks. It's cool. Wow. Oh, I'm standing on the road. That is... Oh, sorry. Look at that. I'm in love with the buildings and the weather. It's like staring at me. Look at this. Wow.
Okay, we go to a roundabout.
This is actually quite cool. Oh my god, what if it's a charging, like a, you know, the battery charging? Guys, how's your Tuesday? Mine's looking a little bit better than yours. Guys, I think he's taking a new LinkedIn profile picture. I actually feel like I'm in a movie or like a really nice picture painting. Guys, look at this. Where are all the people? We're literally the only ones here. Look at that. We just casually stumble upon blackberries. Buddha Tower. Let's go in. Oh. This one. But what is this actually? This is tickets or what? Ooh.
And then the 3 steps. Yeah. To the top.
How is the view? Good?
It's a view.
We were contemplating on whether to go up or not.
The metal staircase.
Metal staircase and then small staircase. So he said it's not good for any big feet for us. We're literally all three of us are big feet. Okay, I decided to go. Maybe we can just enter here. Or do I have to do this also? Go, 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 go! Oh god, get it. Let's go.
Okay, wait. Take a picture.
Oh. I feel like I've been doing this the whole time. Okay, let's go. Just, they're small in width, but then their depth is like... Oh, wow.
Okay. You know why they design stairs like this?
Why?
Because when they have swords
Yeah,
and they are like rushing the building,
yeah.
the people defending has like the advantage.
Okay, I want to see you run if you're a knight.
Run up or down?
Down. With all your armor and stuff, I would have fallen off already. Most literally casually sitting here. Okay, let's go. Don't fall. If you actually fall, I don't know what to do. This is the route that our parents said they took us to. Oh my gosh. Okay, 170 steps doesn't sound like a lot, but then I feel like it's because of the stair type. Oh, there's like
Take a better or this one?
No, we go every... Ooh. There's a audio thing here. Okay, so this is... I don't know, what is this? What is this? You wanna take this one? Okay, it looks nice though. Wow. All you see is just roofs. Dude, who would ever do like a YouTube of this? Me.
Welcome to my mansion, man. Take a look at my stairs. I don't even know where they lead to.
Where's your bed?
Sorry.
Where's your kitchen?
Ah, shit, I put on the floor, bro.
How did you clean it today?
I threw it out. What? How did I?
How did you clean your shit?
I threw it out the window.
No wait, you know, suddenly I thought, is this where like those army? No. Never mind. Okay. No, it's cool. Look at us. Calm down. Okay, so this is the next stop. Wow. Very nice. I love the fire extinguisher. I think it's an artifact. A really cool one too. Look at that. It's a 8-ball pool, is it? Guys, we were like taking TikToks and taking pictures in the room. We're having the time of our life, I swear. Okay, so now we are still walking up the stairs all the way to the end because apparently it's not even the end yet. There's something there. Oh, there's someone. I hear someone though. You go up first. Ooh. Wait. We have reached the end and there was no one. Wow. Okay. It's cool. So this is the view that you get. You can hear the birds. Wow. It is cool. Look at that. Where? Oh, I didn't even realize that. Oh. This is what we're doing. So look at the sun. It's like really, really nice. Whoa, guys, we made it to the top. So this is the view of the tower. I don't know. Is it worth it? It's up to you to decide. But I think it's very, very nice. I think it's worth it. So right now, there's only one thing to do, which is to go back down the stairs. At least we're going back down, not going up again. Actually, I may take back what I said. It's like a little bit scary when you go down because I don't know, it feels like you're falling.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Imagine you fall right, and then you land on your butt and then you start sliding down. Imagine something chase you and you're like, then you fall down because you can't really see. Oh yeah, imagine this at night. Made it out. Are they still there? No, they left. They left us. Okay, it was a cool experience. I liked it. Like, what's up there? I said it's the same. What's up? The sky. I showed them like a video. Yeah, they look disappointed. So how was it? Did you like it? Yeah. Good. Wish there was like a balcony. If there was a balcony, people would be jumping off, not gonna lie.
My goodness, huh? You must go. You want a Coke?
Yes, I would love
You want a Coke Zero?
a Pepsi Max or something.
The best.
It's like really windy, but at the same time it's like very, bright from the sun. So now we are actually heading to the fisherman bastion, and then from there we'll head back to Pest for the ruins bar and everything. Wow, look at that. Because like San Esteban, the first king of Malta, is officially dedicated to Matthias. He was a great king, but he never became a saint. That's why. You know what it looks like? It looks like sandcastle. Like the sandcastle, the color and everything. Sitting there with a view. Wow. The stairs. Wow.
But lean against the
Okay, tell me, that literally looks like a really, really well-built sandcastle. You want cherries? Papa, you want cherries?
No, thank you.
Oh wow,
You don't know what people
that's
do.
grapes, yeah.
Good try.
Guys, to top it all off, it's like downhill. Wow. Okay, Kami, you know what to do. Run down. Run down. Go. But make sure you go 30. Run down. Oh my god, if I fall, GG. vanilla chili cake. You want to try it?
Oh, ini cool. Laki gokilnya.
Brothers Bojack Horseman. So we definitely entered the more touristy area because you can see the shops. They are mostly souvenirs and like Italian restaurants. Look at that, Vivaldi. I drink, therefore I am. You don't have to. It's the Grand Central Cafe. One of like the popular ones. That. Baffles me, like these are just like normal shopping malls, and it's like the architecture of the building is just oh look, it's a book. Oh wow. Hey. Ooh, like I'm flipping the page. That's so cool. Oh my god. Wow. You know what I'm more interested in? It's a food. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful weather, beautiful architecture, beautiful country. Can you hear music again? Guys, this is insane. You're not gonna believe what is. Yeah, the cello guys not doing great. Wow. Wow. I've saved this for like the longest time and I'm so excited that we're here. Oh, so cute. There's like reptiles and like mammals and insects and everything.
Eu não moro tanto, tá bem chill.
Go in. Also a little quick tip, actually not a tip, just an idea for me is that if you go to a museum that is like paid entry and you don't want to really pay to enter, just go to the gift shop. They usually have like the gifts of like the relevant exhibition that is on, so you basically get to see the exhibition for free. Look at that. Wow, look at this. It is insane. Wow. Look at that. Look at this. My god. This reminds me of when you go to Prague. the exact same thing. Look at that. Timing memories, yeah? Wait, I want a POV of this. We gotta make something different. Things like that. Ooh, look at the leaf. Guys, look at the view when you come out. Wow. 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 We found Barry's Cafe. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Literally every single building in this district is beautiful. Look at that. This is open air. Oh my gosh, this is nice. You hear the birds chirping. Makes you want to appreciate life. Ooh. Whoa, look at this. Wow. I didn't know you can spin it. So we stumbled a random, not really random, I guess random park, but it's like so beautiful. Look at that. We just chilling. It's actually a beautiful day. Look at that. Life is beautiful, right? Yeah. Look at us, look at us. Do you see those things flying? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have everything in our hair. You already have. Oh. Basically what we're doing now is that we took I keep getting a mistake. The tram number 2 all the way, and then we just explore from there. What is that? Basically sitting on the parliament, like seeing the sun golden hour. Yeah, beautiful. So this is our view. Look at that. Wow. Guys, look at this. Wow. the sun cast on the buildings. Boy, you roasting the dog. Your mind, how do you even exit this place? Like, how do you even navigate yourself in this place? Whoa. If you're tripping, I recommend that place. Exiting from the ruins bar, you get Las Vegans. Look at this. So instead of sparkling water, he actually gave us water with gas and then soda water. Didn't know that. What? Are we going clubbing? Yes, Erica, you can't even do. What the hell are you doing? Update, the jacket is on because somehow it is freezing cold right now. Oh my gosh. Imagine the camera that like the car camera just sees you.